Good morning, and today is February 22nd, 2024, and it's a Thursday. Yesterday we have a FOMC minutes release. We have a little bit, volatilities. It created a very nice setup. But anyway, so we are in week 8 of this year. And for this week, we don't have any, option expiration week. Next week will be the end of the month right there. For SPY today, the pre-market is a very high volume right there. Because yesterday, that yesterday the NVIDIA, the whole market is waiting for the NVIDIA and it really rocket up. You see that the pre-market already jumped $6 right there. And yesterday the volume is not really high at all. Okay. Yesterday kind of consolidate day, right? And also keep in mind that next month, right, we will have a FOMC meeting, and also we have the CPI. So our job is focused on the high impact news. That's where the liquidity gonna ingest, and a nice setup, big setup, form, right? We are day trade, but we don't have to trade every day. So we are 3 more minutes before the opening. Well, yesterday they are very nice up right here. If we look right here level, you see that this is the lunch time, right? It rated lunch time social liquidity, right? After it rate right here, it create a breakout level, order block, follow gap, and if normally we try to re-enter right here, right, retest order block, we got stop out. But the lesson we learned that if we got stop out in this, we can re-enter them because it's very high probability after the release, FOMC minute, right, at 2 p.m. This is the beautiful. And if we look carefully, you see this order block right here. All of this is just liquidity rate right there. It did not close, below this low, the order block. So it's a very high setup right there. And it also hit into a, the breakout level of the high time frame. In this case is 1 hour time frame. So we use 5 minutes and 1 hour time frame, and it just retest that. That's it, and boom, it never closed below this order block. So it's a very high setup. So we can enter right here with a buy stop right here, and it is also a classes of so-called double bottom right there. Normally you just want to retest at here, make a higher low and boom, go up. But in this case it make a lower low, which is more it's more likely it's gonna reverse. That's the idea right there, right? You have consolidation, and then you have manipulation, and then distribution right there. It's ICT IDMS right here, typical. All right, let's see if the market open, and we go from there. How market open, and we go from there. But for now, yes, market open now. All right, let's draw a 7:30 open. So open 503.71. Yeah. So it's the how huge dark glow candle at 8:30, 9:30. So we have the breaker right here, right? So we have a bullish breaker right here. So we have bearish breaker and bullish breaker, right? And the favorite gap. And let's see if it's the retest. Look at the high time frame, 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we're looking for. Okay. So here's the 1 hour time frame for our reference. Yes, is the gap, right? The breaker right there. Yeah, breaker. Maybe go if we test the breaker right here also. You see this level right there? So this is a breaker on the high time frame also. You see the breaker right here. Yeah, this is the breaker right there, and you see the favorite gap right there also. Let's see it go down to here. Five 50304. It's a breaker, right? So you see, it does exactly the breaker. Look at that. How perfect is that? So basically, we see the setup is play out nice right there, right? You have higher time frame breaker right there, and it touched the high time frame by sim, and the same for the low time frame 5 minute right there. So we give the preference to the high time frame in this case. So we put, if we trade this one, we put our limit order right here, right? But if we trade on low time frame, we put our order in here. And then our stop loss gonna be very right here, very huge right there. So we should give preference to We got missed the tray right here. We need to take the tray. That is the challenge for it right there. When you see the setup, we need to take it. Otherwise, we make so-called type 2 errors, right? Type 2 error, right? Which is, you know, fail to check the tray, or you know, fail to pull the trigger. We failed to pull the trigger right here. That's the lesson learned for us. You see, it's very accurate right there. So the low of this is O2, right? It's the 2 cent low. The breaker level wow, look at that. Amazing right there. Man, look at that. The market ripped a bit up. Now we see with our own eye now. So almost 1 to 3 reach the wall ratio right there. We have 2 entry. One we enter right here at limit order, or we enter it right here. So this one is a unicorn setup, right? ICT. Right? Basically, it's a breaker. In this case, bullish breaker and favorable retest right there. $35. Basically with a buy limit. outflow. Let's put right here. This is great. $49 right there, right? So really go is 1, 2, 3 right there. We will have the same idea right here, but we're gonna do a different one called buy stop, right? It must save it first with buy stop right here. Let's save it for now. Another way we enter it, that we enter at this level right here. You see that? They will create a 4 breakout level right there, so we can enter it right here. You see, it level, it really tests this breaker right there. So if we entry this way, our stop loss will be smaller, 36 right there. That means our risk of the reward gonna be changed. So you also 1, 2, 3 right there. Pretty much 1, 2, 3, the same. We either enter right here or we enter right here. Yeah, in this case we use the buy stop. $41, right? Buy stop 41 right here. The entry time is the same, but just the entry level a little bit different right there. The level we enter different, also the order type. One is limit, the other is stop order. So we are 30 minutes to the trading now. Seeing the opening bell. And it draw it from here. Alright, now we just go silent for a couple of minutes and now we're back. Just watching right now, we're not gonna engage, right? We missed right here, so let's start feeling singing a little bit. And are we gonna sort here? You see a lot of rejection right there. What the idea of sort? Well, you can put a cell stop right here, breakout level. If that's what we want to do. So let's see what is this one. What is this? So because it's all-time high right now, so it's very hard to go in right now, right? We have to wait patient. That's it. Sometimes we go fixing, then the whole day we don't fix anything, right? Just be patient because it's all-time high. So how you gonna trade? You're gonna go long? That's not a good idea, right? Because it may retrace or reverse. But if you want to go short, or you go against a trend, so that is the decision that we have to wrestle with. Okay, now look at, for fun right now, you know, look at Nvidia. Look at the jump. It continued to go up. Well, it put exactly at 9:30 into a breakout level, right? See? Yeah. It's basically a breaker right there. You see? The breaker, and you have Fibonacci is also a unicorn setup right there. Beautiful unicorn setup. Right? Whenever you see the high, that is the breaker, right? And it break out that with a Fibonacci and it retests, that is the unicorn setup. Man, we see unicorn setup everywhere. Just stick to this setup, and trade it. Don't jump all over the place right here. Wow. See that? Unicorn setup right there. This is the breaker right there. Wow, it touched exactly. You see that? This is the breaker. Right. It's a breaker. I mean, it order block when we trade down here, but when you trade up, it become a breaker. So the order block can become a breaker right there, and you see it touch into exactly the level. What the high of this is 4339. It tells you right there. Man, see that? See the unicorn setup everywhere. You have to wait for a federal gap and wait for retest. That's the patience that we need to develop. Basically, with the patient watching right now, we have no clue. We don't know what to do. We cannot go long right here, right? We can go short right here. If this become, full breakout, we gotta go down. In order to go long, we need a setup like this. The unicorn right here, breaker, retest, boom. Not how we go long. Right, so it's right this buy side query right there. It sweep, it break that helps that away. So this is become our new breaker right there. So if we see that it break this with a fellow gap, it not break with fellow gap. You see this breaker, it not break with fellow gap. It's a strong move up, but there's no fellow gap right here. But that fellow gap right here. So if we want, we can treat this as breaker fellow gap right there. So if it retests this area, we're gonna go long, right? If it retests this area, we're gonna go long. Right here. Let's go with this dozy right here. So we will go long if it go here, right? Because it's the breaker and big fellow gap. So if it go down there, retest area, we go long. Otherwise, it's too much up there for it to go long. Alright, I think we are almost reached our 1 hour mark. We just keep 1 hour a day, so practice. And we miss our trade right here, right? The breaker, fellow gap, retest. We miss that setup. It's the unicorn setup. There are two ways we enter this setup. We can enter at limit order, or we can pull at the stop order, buy stop, buy limit. Well, now we have the DR model is formed right there. So we see the gap. Let's see if the gap right here. Okay, so it's not rated. The buy side is not rated. So let's see. So if we treat it as a breakout, yes. Little level at the breakout. What do we have? 505. So 05. Okay. So if we treat this at a breakout level, we have a huge breakout right there. Let's see, create a gap. Or something happened. So that's what. Let me take a little bit lighter. So let's this. We only go down where we try to retest this bearish breaker. Otherwise, wait, that's this. Okay, we wait for another 4 minutes. We want to see how this candle close, and then we can wrap up our first hour, 1 hour right here. Yeah. So basically, yeah, we missed the array here. So if we trade the retracement, we can short right here and amp the target right here. But we don't know. Let's see. It's very tricky right here. Oh yeah, it created a fall breakout right here. It can be an order block right there. But let's see. What if we short right here and how much we risk? We risk only 43, right? If we check it out, then we out. Otherwise, we have a wow. So it just rate the buy side right there. Let's see what we're gonna do from now. Let's see the candle how it's closed. Very critical. Because it's closed good, then it create the gap right here. Create another fair gap right there. Wow. So we have another fair gap right here. Yep. So we now have another gap right there. Let's see it goes out. And we have the buy side liquidity was just rated, right? That's it. So we should go back to the basics, just risk price action. Because when we slow, we will learn more, we will see things different. When we slow down, we can see things better. Wow, look at that. What's that? Oh, what happened? Oh. Okay. So this is the DR high and also implied DR. They all, overlap. So exactly 35. I think it will go down here. It will retest this level. Usually it's rate the buy side and then boom, it sell right away. Yeah, if we short right here, and if we want to get a quick profit, surely it will retest it level. Just watch. It will retest it level. $35. So 10:35, good time to go in. But we cannot short right now, we can only long. If we short, we have to use option right there. Alright, I think we gotta go now. So basically, this morning we missed a very good setup, which is unicorn setup. Yeah, this is the unicorn setup. We take a screenshot right there at 9:35 right there. So you can do a buy limit. I think this is buy limit, not buy stop. And then you can do a buy stop. The two way you can go in, right? You go in right here. Oh yeah, you buy limit on this setup. If you put your order right here, it's gonna be the buy limit. Your entry level gonna be this level. But if we decide to go at this level, then we do a buy stop. That's the level. Our risk reward pretty much the same, 1 to 3. But this way the stop loss a little bit lesser, 36 cents. The other one is 57 cents. Alright, that's it for today, and thank you very much, and talk to you later. Bye for now.